Swap the W and S key.
Ah, I hate this. Who the fuck? Hold on, does it actually work? Oh, fuck, it does. Shit. Shit. Why are you going for me?
Welcome to Thunderdome, bitch.
Oh my god, he locked himself in here! No! He locked it! Oh, please, 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 please! Let me out! Let me out! Yes, I'm assing! As long as I move straight, you know what? I'm not gonna use AD. That's what fucks me up. Oh, fucking sissies here, brother. Nope. I can't. Oh my god. Let's go, baby. Run. I couldn't figure out what I was doing. That was terrible.